Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video we'll be discussing another question of probability. Here we have got a jar, and inside of the jar we've got 58 red balls, 78 green balls, and we do have blue balls as well, but the actual number of blue balls is not known to us. So we are assuming the blue ball to be X. Now the question asks how many balls are there. So we do know pretty well by adding all these three balls we'll get X plus 58 plus 78 balls. That is the total number of balls. But we cannot answer it in variables. We want the exact value of X. So there is another question within this question, or you can say it another hint is given, which is the probability of choosing blue ball is 1 over 5. So by using this, we can actually evaluate the value of X. How do we do that? For that, we will be now needing to know that probability of any event happening is equal to number of favorable cases of that event divided by number of sample spaces. So in this particular question, we have number of events of picking blue balls is the total number of blue balls contained within the jar, which is X, and the number of sample spaces here are the total number of balls that are present within the jar, and we've already found that out, which is X plus 58 plus 78. So let's write that down. Now we have been given that this value will be equal to 1 by 5. The probability of picking blue balls, here E represents blue balls, so probability of picking blue balls is equal to X over X plus 58 plus 78, and this value will be equal to 1 by 5 as mentioned in the question. Now let us just solve this. We'll get 5x will be equal to x plus 58 plus 78, which implies 4x will be equal to 50 plus 70 120 and 8 16, so it's gonna be 136, which implies x will be equal to 4 3s are 12 and 16 means 34 balls. Now we can actually find the total number of balls by plugging in this value of x is equals to 34 in here and find the total number of balls. But what we have another way of finding the total number of balls is from this particular ratio, or you could say the proportion or equality, you can say. So what we can find from here is, here we have been given 1 over 5. So when we reduce this particular LHS, we should be getting 1 over 5. And that is only possible when x plus 58 plus 78, x plus 58 plus 78 will be equal to 5x. So if this is the case, then this LHS would be x over 5x. So x and x gets cancelled out and we would be getting RHS, which is 1 over 5. So what we can conclude from this is the total number of balls in the jar will be equal to 5x. You can simply plug in the value of x equals 34 here, and we will be getting this is equal to 136, and when we add 34, it would be 6 plus 4 0 and 1 carry, so it's going to be 170, right? There are 170 balls in total. But now let us just try to find it by 5 into x, which would be 5 into 34, right? So 5 into 34, 5 3s is 150 plus 5 4s is 20, which would again be 170. So this is how you solve this question. Thank you very much.